Hey guys, David here, June 3rd, 2019, weekly update for May 28th through May 31st, 2019. Had a short week, right? We had a holiday Monday, so we only had 4 trading days. I had a break-even week, and considering the weeks I've had, this is really the worst week that I've had, right? Because I've had nothing but winners. Not winning trades every day, but winning weeks every week. But this week I broke even. I am happy to say, to a certain degree, that the one loser on the 28th was not valid, but as you see on my chart there, I'm only human. I make mistakes. So, and you will too. And that's important because, you know, you just can't look at my win percentage and try to calculate how much money you're going to make. I know a lot of people do that. You have to account for things like this. You know, I could have had a winning week if I didn't make the mistake. As you can see, there is nothing but winners after that loser, which I have right here. But this is what happens, okay? And at the end of the day, a lot of you have been talking to me about trading this all day long because the numbers don't lie. Trading this all day long, every trade has outperformed one trade per day, hands down. Now, I'm not keeping a tally, but I've been adding it up every week. And I don't keep a tally because, well, you can add it up and you got to decide what you want to do. I have other trading that I do, so I don't want to trade this all day. I've got other things going on, so I choose to just take the one trade per day. But even still, I'm up $7,860 and a couple months trading just 2 contracts. Not bad money for just 2 contracts, right? And a small trading account. So let me show you the spreadsheet really quick. Let me close this out. Where's the old spreadsheet here? Here we go. So, well, my spreadsheet guy didn't give me enough room down here, so sometimes my dates bleed over. So I got some May and June in here and some May and April in here. But either way, it adds up totally at the end. But so May 29th, we had a winner. The 30th, we had a loser. I had some slippage, right? $30 of slippage there. That happens. And then we had 2 winners. Well, this one was today. This will be on next week's video update. But overall, I'm up $7,800, so not bad. So before I get into the charts, as a reminder, class is the 21st to the 22nd, and then the 24th and 25th. 2 days of instruction, questions, things like that. Then live trading with live market action. We only have a couple spots left. If you're interested, please contact Al pretty quick because I suspect these spots are going to sell out. I am not going to teach the Dow system again. I've already had the conversation with some of you guys, and the Dow does not have the liquidity of the ES, so this is very limited. It will not be taught again. So if you are thinking about it and you have questions or you want to see my statements, please get in touch with Al. With that said, let's go right to the chart. So May 28th, like I said, first trade wasn't valid. You'll know why once you take the course. The rest were all winners. So if I were paying attention, I'd have had a nice winning trade. If you go all day long, you'd have had all winners and you'd have made 100 ticks. Now, if you didn't make the mistake, see, I even discounted that everybody made the mistake, although I'm sure many of you wouldn't have. I know I'm thriving not to do it again. I don't want to say never because, you know, we're only human. But you'd have been up 125 points. You'd have had all winners because this trade wasn't valid. So, but anyway, that's what it was. May 29th, kind of mixed. 3 winners, 2 losers, so you'd have been up 25. So if you went all day, you made 100 or 125 yesterday, you made 25 today, so you're up 100 or 100 and a quarter. Not bad. The 30th, this was a legitimate trade that lost, and I was also in this one because I generally take the first trade. Then we had a couple of winners, a couple more losers, a winner. So basically a break-even day. I lost, you would have broke even. See what I mean? It does go back and forth sometimes, but that's just part of it. And then the 31st, very slow day. 2 winners, 1 loser. So I took the first one, I made my 25. If you won all day, you would have still made 25. But if you add it all up, you still had that 100-tick day. I broke even. I would have been up plus 25 without the mistake. You would have been up the 125 or 150 if you won all day. And I'm not trying to say you got to do this all day. I want you to have the option. That's why I show every trade throughout the day, so you can see what it is, and you have to decide based off of your risk parameters, your own time, what else you have to do during the day if you can do this all day. If you can, hey, that's great. The results have been speaking for themselves, right? As I've said before, I don't make any guarantees on any trade. I suspect this system will continue to do good. A lot of it because, again, the Dow's low in volume. We're only teaching this to a few people. So I don't foresee any issues with that whatsoever. But I suspect the system is going to keep on rocking out like it does. So again, that's it. Class is in just a couple weeks. It is going to be recorded. If you have questions, please contact Al. And thanks for watching. Have a great night.